Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can use HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel to create a fully automated sales report. As you see here, for example, I want to find sales report for any employee. This one automatically changes. No need add data manually for any employee, or here for any year. Directly all data update itself. Also, I start with a beginner example, so to an advanced example. Watch to the end. Let's get started. I just want to put a name of one employee. For example, Sophia Carter. Okay. That is the year, and that is the name of employee. And here is sales report. For example, I want to find sales report for 2018. Just from here, equal HLOOKUP. Click this one. Okay. Lookup value, this cell. Comma. Table array, that is a table array. Again, comma. Row index number, that is row index. 1, 2, 3, 4. Row index number is 4, so I select 4 here. Comma, then insert 0. Close it. Enter. Directly it shows me, let me make it center. Directly it shows me sales report for Sophia Carter in 2018. You see, 2080. Sophia Carter, 43,000. To change names, I want to make this process automate. So select the cell, then from data validation, make it list, then click this one, select the names, enter, just OK. Now a drop-down list is appeared here. Okay, directly cell report changes. Daniel Roberts. That is Daniel Roberts. It is 55,000. Another name, you can select another one. Emily Thompson, 41,000. Let's go to second example. This example is so advanced, and we make an automate report. Let us see. Okay. Here I have employee name. To employee name, just click the cell, then from data validation, select list, click this icon, select the names, enter, then OK. Now I have all the names. You can select the name. So also I want to a drop down list for years. Click here, then again from data validation, select list, and select years. Click this icon, select years, enter. OK. You see, I have year. Good. For example, I selected 2017. Row index number for HLOOKUP, row index number. For example, if I want 2017, row index number equal to 3. For 2018, row index number is equal to 4. For 2016, row index number equal to 2. So I have to make a formula to find row index number. Just I use if formula equal to if, click this one, if this cell equal to this one, so row index equal to 2, because it is first row, that's second row, it is 2. Comma, again if this cell equal to this one, this time row index equal to 3. Again comma, if this cell equal to this one, row index equal to 4. Again comma, then if if this cell equal to this one, then comma, row index equal to 5, because that is the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. So 5, comma, if this cell equal to this one, comma, row index equal to 6, comma, 0. Now, at the last option, we have to add 0. Then close the bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, here we have black color, so this one must be black. Enter. You see, directly we selected 2017. It selected row index 3 because that is row 1, row 2, row 3. Then we have to apply HLOOKUP formula here. Let me make it smaller. Okay. Let's apply HLOOKUP formula here. Equal sign HLOOKUP. Now HLOOKUP here. Lookup value this one, comma, table array. That is the table array. This one, comma, row index number. That's the row index number. This one, comma, 0. Close bracket, enter. Let's see. For Sophia Carter in 2017, the sales report is 40,500. Let's see. Sophia Carter in 2017 is for 40,500. Yes. Now we can change the year. For example, 2020, 42,000. Sophia Carter for 2,000. It is fully automated. Now, for example, I want to change the name for Michael Anderson. It is 50,000. You see, that's the most advanced example to create a sales report using HLOOKUP.